You may be like, oh, Doro, long time no see. How are you doing, Doro? I feel like I'm going insane. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, let me out. Like, I feel like I'm in a box. I'm like slowly panicking, you know? And it's not better because I have the sniffles, right? I'm going to go insane. Anyways, enough about me. How are you guys? Hope you're doing well. Thank you for watching yet another Doro Productions YouTube video. Today we are going to do a part 2 of cleaning out my closet edition. As you probably could tell from the title of the video. I have so much clothes, okay? I have a lot of clothes and I don't even wear like 50% of it. I'm not gonna lie. I keep thinking that maybe there's gonna be one day where I will wear it. But that's just never gonna happen if I'm being honest with myself. But then like, oh, but when I wore this shirt, this happened and it was so awesome and it was so cool and like, you know, like sentimental value with it. I can barely keep my eyes open right now because of allergies. It's okay, we can do this. We can do this, lock the f in. In this episode of cleaning out my closet, we're going to go through my skirts. I am a skirt enthusiast. I like skirts. I like long skirts. I like mini skirts. I like skirts. I like them a lot. I like wearing skirts. I probably like wearing them more than dresses. I like wearing dresses. I don't know. I don't know if I enjoy wearing skirts more than dresses, but I do love wearing skirts. I love wearing skirts. It's great. And I was cleaning or like sorting through my drawers today, trying to find all my skirts, right? And I found skirts I haven't seen in years. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm wearing one of them right now. So this skirt, denim skirt, dark denim skirt. It has little pockets actually in the front and in the back, which is good. Like real pockets, not those fake pockets. I like that it's like a deep, darker blue. It fits good. I like the fit. It was supposed to be a part of a set. It is from H&M. Shout out to H&M, not sponsored, but hit me up if you see this, H&M. But yeah, I really like this skirt. I wear this one very often. I feel like it goes well with a lot of different, like it goes well with a cardigan or just a t-shirt. Or maybe if you want to wear like a little bit of a longer one, you just tuck it into the waist here. Like it looks good with everything. It fits well. It's nice. It looks good. This is probably my favorite skirt at the moment. It's probably my favorite skirt at the moment. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. It's a great skirt. I can recommend. Might be an X or an XS, this one. But yes, we keep this one. Okay. Another, just a black skirt. This is from ASOS, I think. And very good, very important. This skirt actually has built-in shorts with it. Like it's actual like shorts that is a part of the. My nail just ripped a hole in my off. It looks good. I like this skirt. I wear it a lot. It's very, very comfortable. If you need like a nice black shorter skirt to wear for something, then you also, you know, because some like short skirts, they do not have these underpants. And if you just need something quick and easy like that, this is a perfect choice for it. I do not know what the skirt is called, but it is from ASOS. So I'm also not sponsored by ASOS. But ASOS, if you see this ASOS, please hit me up in the DMs. Yeah, keep this one. Really good choice of a black skirt if you ever need one. Yes. Now this, it fits good, but I would never wear this. I don't even remember when I wore this last. Like this is one of those things that I don't even remember having, or like I remember having it, but I haven't seen it in years. I think it maybe was cute when I was younger, but like I would never be caught dead wearing something like this outside. Hell no. Hell no. I feel like I'm an anime girl. I'm not gonna keep this one. No. I don't even remember owning this piece either. I don't think I like it though. Where's this from? Let me check. Public Desire. Do not know what the f that is either. It's a long black skirt with a slit. It's very high-waisted. I mean, you probably could wear it pretty low-waisted too if you want that. But it's very, it's not super long. It has a pretty awkward fit right here. It's like a weird material too. I don't know if it catches in the camera, but it's like a really weird material that I don't f with. I'm probably gonna give this one away. I don't know if I even worn it out, I'm gonna be honest. It's just been laying in my closet for years. So let's get rid of it. Now this used to be one of my favorites, I remember. Also from H&M. Very high-waisted. It is coming up to my midsection, I think this is called. Very long, very flowy, nice material, cute, summery. I would wear this, but I think it is a little bit too small for me. I have to, you know, suck it in. But cute nonetheless, but we're gonna get rid of it. Is this thing still on? Are we live? I don't know if you heard me, but this pocket, fake. I do like, it's kind of like a stone-ish color. I like it, it just does not feel like me. It's kind of what you would wear to a safari, you know? Put me in one of those safari cars, okay? And then I want the savannah behind me. And then I want there to be a jaguar that runs by being chased by a giraffe. And this is me on my safari trip in my really cute skirt. Oh my god, did you oh my god, yeah! Let's not keep this one. Another ASOS skirt. I forgot I even had this skirt. It's very nice though. How can I have forgotten about this? Oh wait, so it's longer in the front and longer in the back, but right here at the thigh, it goes way shorter. Hold on, my noses. And there's gonna be somebody in the comments being like, oh, just blow your nose. I was blowing my nose yesterday. I could barely get any snot out because my nose was so like blocked that I was starting to breathe through my nose and just nothing, like no sound, nothing. So I kept trying and I kept like trying to blow my nose, and then I did, and then I had to like blow my nose for like 10 minutes. I hate allergies. I don't know if I have a cold mixed with an allergy. I don't know who have punished me with this suffering. It better be worth it. I better win like a Grammy in the future, and this is what I have to do, you know? I endured all this suffering for something good, right? Right? Right, yeah, right. Oh, we keep this one, by the way. This skirt is from Superdry, which I like the brand. I like Superdry. I don't know about this skirt though. I'm a little bit afraid because it's like right underneath the booty cheeks, you know? If you have a big ass and you try to wear this skirt, it's not gonna work. I do not have that problem, thank God. Yeah, I'm getting dizzy. I don't know, I think we keep it. I think this is a tough one, to be honest. It is pretty cute. It's a short black skirt, yet again. I mean, the only thing I don't like about it is this line. This line that you see is going straight through it. And there's no line at the back either, it's just at the front. I don't know. I think what I will do is, I will not keep it. I will give it away because I already have 2 black skirts that I like very much. And I don't like this one very much. Let's just, yeah, we're not keeping it. I don't think I've ever worn this one. I don't really know why I bought it. I'm not gonna lie. I think I was just kind of experimenting and then I just bought it. It has a slit here at the thigh. It goes pretty high up, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Like imagine you're walking and you're gonna like be flashing people. I feel like I look a little bit like a witch. I feel like I'm gonna hop on my broom. So I don't think we keep this one. Okay. Sorry, I keep looking outside because it's like, it's such nice weather. I like the nice weather. I remember it was winter and I was feeling really, really low. Like low energy, low motivation. It's just low, you know? And it started to become spring. And as soon as the clouds parted a little bit and the sun came shining through. It was like a breath of fresh air, dude. Also, while I'm on this topic, the worst thing about summer, allergies, bro. Allergies, wasp. I have a wasp problem. And no AC, because we don't really believe in ACs in Europe, right? So it's really hot. So you have to open all the windows and try to get a little bit of breeze going. Mosquitoes, I hate all flying insects. Fuck all of those. I have a wasp problem. I've had a wasp problem for like years now. They're so big, like I'm not kidding. They are probably like this big. Honestly though, probably this big. I'm not kidding. Their spawn is somewhere close and they're camping every time I go outside. Like they're always there when I go outside. I'm looking for them. I don't know where they are, but I'm scared. Anyways. The skirt. This one is from ASOS. I'm not sure. I think it is though. Love ASOS. ASOS, please sponsor me. Also, yeah, shorts. Not the longest shorts it's gonna be if you did not have like an extra pair of shorts that I do. Your ass cheeks are gonna be hanging out a little bit, but maybe that's what you're going for. I don't know. So yeah, they have a little bit of a. Every time I look down, dude. Every time I look down, my nose is. Sorry. Okay, lock in. I really love the fact that there's shorts in these. I think more fashion brands, whatever, the people who make the clothes and style them, and please make more skirts with shorts, especially if they're short skirts. I like wearing this one with like a little bit of an oversized top. Yes, I really like this one. I'm gonna 100% keep this one. Next one. So this has a mesh layer on top. So this is a skirt, and then there's like a mesh cute details here at the top. It is a very long skirt. I like long skirts, I've realized. I'm a big fan of them, and I think they just look really good. I want to get one of those skirts that are like silk skirts, if you know what I mean. It feels good, it's very breathable material. It looks good with pretty much anything too. I'm a big fan. I use this one very often. It's probably one of my most used skirts. I always wear it whenever I can. So yeah, 100% keep, 100%. No doubt about it. Now this is one of my favorites. It's a silk skirt that's pretty long. It's gorgeous. It looks so good. It looks great, especially in the sun, you can imagine. Liquid copper. I think it is from ASOS too, I want to say. Not very breathable material as you can imagine, but it looks so good. I feel very elegant. You know, a business lady. I'm gonna wear this to my next bank meeting. I'm gonna wear this. All I need is a Birkin. And my Porsche. Oh my god, hold on. A nice pair of heels. No stockings underneath, obviously, because what the fuck. The skirt, a nice blouse with it, sunglasses on, hair done, sitting in my Porsche. I step out, grab my Birkin, and oh dude, do you guys get it? No, I can really recommend this skirt. I think it's an S. It's not super tight at the waist, as you can see. You know, good, because it's midsummer tomorrow. Maybe I'll wear this tomorrow. I think that I wouldn't say I'm a shopaholic, but I love shopping. I love clothes. I don't think I have the best fashion ever. I'm kind of confused. I don't really know what I like or what I don't like. I don't know if I want to, like, I don't know. I like what I like, and I don't know really what I don't know what my style is. I've never really had the money, the budget to kind of explore and test it out. Maybe one day. I am a bitch on a budget, but I do love wearing clothes, and I think like wearing clothes you not like. Oh, I can't talk. I think wearing. Every time that somebody subscribes, likes a video, and drops a comment, it is one step closer to getting a Birkin. Okay. If you want me to do, dude, oh my god, you know what would be fun in the future? A shopping haul. Also, Maybe you're feeling a little perished like I am. That's why I can't pronounce my words right now. Please do consider getting some gamer subs. Drop a like and let me know what you thought about the video. Can you add some really cool stuff? Please, thank you. We've done dresses, we've done skirts, we have shirts, I guess, tops. We have jeans. I do have an entire hat collection. Jackets. We could do jackets too. Socks edition. Yeah, no, I will see you guys in the next one.